Our students are happy to be there. They come in the door smiling, excited to be able to greet so many students by name and to check in on them. Hey, how was your weekend? How was your soccer game? Just really fostering those relationships to make sure that they know that they're loved and they're valued in our school community.
I do like Horizon Science Academy because they are more focused on the children. My son has ADHD, and his last school he was failing. He did not have a 504 or an AEP to help him, guide him through the school with the testings. This school did.
My granddaughter, she was having some bullying issues at her previous school. It was like stepping into a wonderland when it came to sensitivity, just that hands-on feel and that family feel. That next day, I brought my granddaughter over, and then 2 years later, my second granddaughter is here.
I work with a faculty that's very invested in student success. Our faculty meet our students where they are, and they work together to ensure that our students are making growth both academically and socially. We have such a large staff that works on a variety of ways, either supporting our students with language acquisition, with math and reading interventions, with science, social studies, our specialists who work in the arts, and they all have that common goal of making sure that our students are successful. Especially in the elementary school, we're really getting away from the very easy questions of who and what, and we're really diving into the why and how. Why do you know this? How can you explain your thinking? What inferences can you make about the text? So we're really starting to develop those critical thinking skills that then are going to follow them into middle and high school and have them, they're prepared then for the challenges of academics in college.
We do a lot of academic contests and events for students. So starting in as early as third grade, we are starting with those math competitions a couple of times a year. And we participate with science fair, as well as math demonstration and Robocon and robotics.
So we get our first results back from just the regional science fair, and we had about 8 students go gold, 5 students go silver, and the rest go bronze. That's a great start. So we go to the national science fair.
My favorite project is like the STEM one, because we get to like make volcanoes and then go outside to make them explode. Even though it didn't explode, we still did have a lot of fun.
We have 2 teams who have placed in the state competition for VEX, and they're actually leaving today to go to the world competition in Texas. So we have 5 fifth graders with their teachers on their way to the world championship.
I'm really into music, and I like to sing a lot, so music class is my favorite because we get to learn about different types of instruments.
We just had our talent show last week, and to see some of our quietest students come on stage with these very, intense dance moves and singing, and just to see them shine, it's just such an exciting experience to be a part of, and it's really special to be in that space working with those students.
Our CYSP program starts in 5th grade, and we have teachers who mentor kids in small groups. So we do academic preparedness or tutoring on the weekends for students. They have time where they do physical activities, field trips, leadership opportunities for kids. All in all, it is a mentoring program for our students and our faculty.
We do a lot of character building, and it allows them to get that first breath of goal setting and what that looks like as they move forward into middle and high school.